Rolling in the Green, a dive into wealth and prosperity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase you might come across in English conversations, movies, or books. Rolling in the green. If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English, stick around as we break it down for you. Rolling in the green is a colorful expression that means having a lot of money, to the point of excess. The word green here refers to the color of money, specifically the US dollar, which is predominantly green. This phrase is used to describe someone who is very wealthy or when someone has suddenly come into a lot of money. It's a more imaginative way of saying very rich or wealthy. While the exact origin of the phrase rolling in the green is not clear, it's a variation of similar expressions like rolling in dough or rolling in it, all of which emphasize wealth and abundance. It's a casual and somewhat playful phrase, making it perfect for informal conversations. You might not find it in formal writing, but it's popular in spoken English, social media, and creative writing. To help you better understand how to use rolling in the green, let's look at a few examples. 1. After his app went viral, he started rolling in the green. 2. They won the lottery last year and have been rolling in the green ever since. 3. You should see their new house, they're definitely rolling in the green. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to talk about someone's financial success or newfound wealth in a lively and engaging way. It's also useful to know similar expressions. Here are a few. Filthy rich, extremely wealthy, loaded, informal term for having a lot of money, well off, comfortably wealthy. Understanding these can help you diversify your vocabulary and express the idea of wealth in different contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rolling in the green. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a fun phrase you can use in conversations. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to use rolling in the green next time you talk about wealth or prosperity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember, keep learning and keep having fun with English.